Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Another one don't land again, oh my people. Hey, don't shell. Hey, they say, Google, be careful. Now, express you, they go. My people, Papa Kevin buy motor. You can't turn another something for social media. Who say me the man come announce and say, get motor? My people. Make una come hear the latest update for time. Okay, my people. Vera, the story, the truth teller, come outside, come debunk wetin Papa Kevin talk. Say Papa Kevin, one of Deutschland, the husband um, to German first lady, talk say they don't buy motor. You understand? So as dem buy motor now, say make people still follow them happy, say now leg they take the truck before, now taxi their children take they go school before, but now they don't be car owner. Hey, who say make it talk am, my people? Hey, egbe don gas. Now German first, now a Vera TV top show come as I can say oh yeah, oga zip am. Wetin you dey talk? They say na borrow the motor, my people. I never hear that kind one before. They say they borrow motor for Europe again. They say they buy motor. They as they come back again. The next thing na im na taxi come carry them come back because the person wey come dey drive am come be oyibo, while the woman sit down for back, while the man sit down for the woman for the passenger seat. The man suppose to dey drive am. Okay, my people. Why we no come think about what about if they no dey drive? You understand? Maybe as they just dey buy and they come, maybe they just na the man they just pay for say help me drive me to supermarket and come back. You understand? So that kind thing, me I no understand. I say okay, I need to just bring and come give una make una come lis ten to Vera TV how she take talk the whole matter. Say na borrow the motor, no be buy the motor. My people, hey, so person go fit just still like say him buy motor, later the motor come they'll come see and say he no buy motor, say na borrow, he borrow one. Who he want impress? They say na because say one lady come outside, one presenter come outside come to say she don't buy she don't get driver license. So then make the next day Papa Kevin come and say he don't still get motor. My people, if una look am German first lady and the one wey get driver license, they not be friends, they not be enemy. You understand? But they are all from Nigeria. They not get any enemy. They not get any misunderstanding. So why Papa Kevin go come say because of another person get driver license, he don't still get motor? My people, make una come hear the latest gbege for inside matter. So Vera say na lie. So in no person wey buy motor, in no person wey not buy motor. Say na rent, then rent am. Okay, my people, make we waka go Germany. Make we go find out wetin dey happen for inside there. So that make we waka enter the city. Make we go find the motor wey they say they buy and later say na borrow. I beg if you just dey watch me for the first time and you first dey watch, you never subscribe. As you hear this one say na borrow motor, I beg try me you subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime where I say upload, you will be the first person where they will wire my video go give. As you they do so now, so my God go they bless you for me. Okay, my people, to my new subscriber, I thank una very well for coming back to this station to come and subscribe and watch me. I thank una for subscribing. And to my old one, I love you guys. God bless you. May una no borrow motor content they use until they post for Facebook. Okay, my people, I no go too talk too much. I go want make una watch the full video how who buy motor content to borrow motor, because they say they don't see the motor for their compound again. You understand? They say they know the driver and another person I drive and not be the same motor where they carry go supermarket. Now they can carry come back again. Hey, they say because you know good me person they talk like for me I not see the motor now. I tell here say Oga Solo don buy motor. Now I stay here say na borrow the motor. I bet make una follow me for this station. Make una come see the motor where they say they buy. Make una come see the one where they say they borrow. Okay, guys, I go see you now for another video where it not go to say. I remember
Africa last lady. There's a video somebody sent for me yesterday. I don't forget. You know this social media fake life not go finish. And I waiting made me tell now say Africa last lady and Monica they be the same. Mona asked me why. Yesterday, somebody sent me 2 videos to watch. Mona go Africa last lady, Ogi family. Mona go see what they see for them because I don't fit talk too much. You know not say, now me they bring their nyash where they lie. Africa last lady, you tell us say, una buy Audi Q7. Now una buy. Africa last lady, why una dey lie? Because now Germany won't una dey, na me I did. Why una dey lie? Did you know what it takes to buy Audi Q7? Africa last lady, come on. Why fake lie not feeling for you a boy? When I go check motor when they say the new buy. Or free set, when I go share the video when they send for me. For Ogi family, when I go check out for YouTube. Africa last lady say they buy Q10, they buy motor. Meanwhile, that motor, they go rent them. They go rent that motor. My people, in Germany here, my man don't change car. Car will don't change. It don't reach 4 or 5, if I'm not mistaken. Because my man like model something. If you use it like 1 year, sometimes I'm not the use more. If I allow now, they my city. We don't know how many cars we don't change. Office now, my man just still change another new car. If I lie, where person for the buy motor for road for strasse, as it not be parking, not be car stand, road where motor they pass. Where person for the buy motor for street. I talk about. Now me they give una the code. I'm in Germany. Share this video, guys. Africa last lady, stop lying. That Q10, you don't go feel afford them for this life. Una go rent motor, just abuse. Una know why those people? Because this lady, Esther, Mona invite, Mona share, Mona call here this Ivera the lie. Go to our YouTube channel. Go to Wait for Putty Children. Watch that video till the end and see the motor when they use inside. And go the first video. Go check the one when it became when they say that they do birthday. Check and look that motor very well. The one when they enter go and the one they enter come. Una this one fit deceive me Vera. That Q10 you can't afford it because it's an expensive car. Yes. And you never wanted to drive Q10 in Germany. Never. Which work you they work? No. We know people when they drive Q10. Oh, no, say me I get husband papa for this country. I swear you are in Germany as a whole. You can't shit Vera. And my man, a person will be say, he don't drive. When you change, my man, you change another car. It's not to 2 weeks here. Car stand. Now car stand. Car stand, when you buy motor for there, they will give you the papers. Now the paper your car they can go do insurance, guys. Me and they put on a true. When I not let those people they watch me. Because as I did this my platform, I'm not there to give anybody high blood pressure. Mother Q10, go and bring that paper of that car. That paper of that, anytime you buy motor, they will write your name on that paper. Hey, they like my people. When you buy a car, your name is written on that document of the car. When at Africa last lady, let it cover some parts and bring that paper car. Bring it out. Why not the life of crying out? Now maybe they tell us Africa last lady and Monekia na different liar. That Q10, you cannot buy that Q10. When I know what I take cash. With that, they talk on. Somebody called send me the video yesterday night. He said, make I watch this video. He said they say now this motor they buy. But when they go supermarket, motor when they enter and taxi they shatter. Because Esther come outside and say don't get driving license. I partition one key. Because I want so if I take over that time, my husband buy motor, my husband buy this one. When you buy a Audi, we pack it for back. I call the lie. Okay, Q7, right? He said Audi Q7. Go and check Audi Q7. How much it worth. And me and them follow now they argue. Bring the paper. That paper and a person not in the screenshot and where your name dey. No. Not that you want use and do. So far not be the full paper. Bring the paper where your name dey for that Audi Q10. They go write a motto. Put. Show us where that motto dey and where your name dey. Hey, Belekwa. But I don't feel argue because now what's it? Like mama on a day's house. He named it. The name of the motto. You go there. If I lie, but when I tell you say Vera, they lie. If I lie, that I say Vera, you don't they lie. Hey, she neke na mezoku. The car was 11,000 €. Okay. And if both of them save the car, They can save it. What are you saying? Now this one I think they bring wash. Now go wash motor where you take go supermarket. That motor is rent. Una to the actual world. That motor na me talker is rent. Is rent car. Oh, Mommy Shula, you are welcome. That car is rent car. If not like, let her bring the paper to come and prove me wrong. My man paper there here waited by car. The name and your name must be on that paper. Mommy Shula said get motor now. If you buy motor now, another person name the day, your name must definitely be on that car or that document of the car. Right? Your name must be there. And if you don't buy that motor, they can't give you that paper, your name will be there. And two, the name of the car will be written under the document. It will be written on the paper, the document of the car. Why people have been watching some people, they think, I don't understand. Tell her to bring the name. Tell her, bring the name of the may show the documents. May show the name. Whether I name there. What are you telling me? Save what? Go and check it. Audi Q7, how much it worth? Even if that second hand, so expensive. It carry big AG. The facility will be so expensive. They can't afford it. Do you know how much you pay for that car facility? When tax we ask you motorly. Why are you people? Some people you'll be media deceiving people. Tell her to bring the paper, the documents of the car. And tell her to show the name of the car, the dark Q7 or the Q7. The name and the distance. My people, when my man they drive, when I will tell no say na rent. May I like you now small. As my man they drive, my 3 kids they back. I dey front of car. If I they drive now, so I the video my man go video myself. Because why my man is driving. The video she did, why did she sit with the children at the back? And who is that driving the car? And why did she sit at the back? Who got sit down for the seat when you near a husband? I imagine why some people there at the Facebook police. Thank you, Nabi. My people, if you get car as a man, you get children when inside the car. You now you be the wife. You go date the front, right? Okay, now children go date back. Children go there back. Children go there back. Nah. They come on. Payment. Okay, my lady. That car, wait till you see for that car. No, as I dey talk, so go to the video. Check the video very well. Yeah. Check the video very well. Okay. Hello. Hello. My lady. Kakaboje, what is that? What is that? Isalo Buami. No be Jenny with it. Okay. It's borrow. What do you want to tell me? Okay. I mean, ask.
If they walk, when they go to money, say back car. Who the ones to see?
La argument have
Who
you.
is vote people the social
To me,
media?
yeah.
Who the ones to see? Evil. Evil. When one the last lady in the evil or sorry. The thing just shocked me that day. The next thing you about bring car come up.
Because Esther Tosho so driving license. The next day they go, who not they deceive?
That car, my people, na lie.
Na rent. Na rent. Na rent. It dey here. Ask me.
When they go say money, say buy car.
Buy that car. Mommy car, get car. Audi Q7. 9. I argue it.
Which work in the world?
No, you know they don't say they work again. No, he said now he and his wife called they work.
I don't know why people do you think this people now.
I don't know.
Which work?
Is it a social media money?
Can come out today.
Oh, where social media money? Where for the apple?
Social media money. Then she got there for one corner.
It is so that. Evil.
My sister. You know, you striking me. Evil people now.
Everything yore.
Evil people now.
Now they got video. Everything yore. Touch you.
Everything yore.
Why now? Oh my God. Nothing.
It's here we're not picking it. I mean, poor people.
Hey!
I didn't know what they use so they give for strike now. No, sir, Nike.
Na be ne. If you ne na Oginosa Michael. Oginosa Michael. Na be. Nade. Nade. Hey, I don't know. I don't be.
They used to be working all year a bishop.
Vision he.
Not to use. I mean, people don't care.
Yes, that's right. You don't tell now. Yes, Okben. I will remember the people. Okay, the video Okben. The video Okben. You don't. You don't say.
You don't say now. That picture don't say when you come out that time. You know, before the first time I used to be not to be showing. How will I have used to be near this strike? You know what is striking every video?
Oh no. Hey, Shabi, me tired. God, Shabi, when me they talk, I say na info. Shabi, they say I dey lie. Ume oku oni, we me enya efa. Bye bye, my lady. Okay, my mommy Shula, thank you, my dear. Hey! Hey! They not buy. They not buy. Thank you, my darling. Oh, thank you, my dear. Okay. Hey, y'all need money. I don't see it. They're wicked. Rent car, na me talking. I know the like me get car, now we first get Ogbo get car. Benz now we first start. Mercedes Benz. Now we first start. The Sion. Not be not be jagger, not be play. I be not be so. When you see I talk about Mercedes Benz, now you say they go buy Benz and Audi. At the end they'll say, we know they wash Vera. We know they wash Vera. Beds when me I buy, we will renovate our house. Brand new bed when I buy last year November. When you to say now you don't go buy the bed when they get lights. But they not they copy Vera. Oh, I copy a Vera. When they say we bring car, come outside with the drive. It comes say your husband don't pass driving license. Since last 2 years, my husband have been driving more than 2 years now. Since last 2 years, I'm driving. Then one man call me say, he say he go do driving fail. Now he sit down for us. And then I guess say, he not get money when he want to pay another driving license. When you fail, you pay another money. You know. Now they can't do money when they want to buy car. They go you guys take buy bicycle. That time when they say, my husband, you surprise me with a bicycle. The man bring all the secret call. We call we wait for here. We call we wait here, my people. Shame call caution. He call enter house. When I go share this motor, this Audi Q7 online. That car is rated car. More time. He rated. May bring the paper. Okay. Do live video. Show us the paper of the car. Show us the paper. Hello, my lady. Oh, my lady.
Make I contribute to more. You know, say we don't get used to their fake life for social media. Not be today. They have Monica na the same road.
When did they tell people say 2 of them are this?
Come say your husband they drive machines. After that video, we not see the car again.
Hey!
Now, Jama last lady they don't still carry their car. You know, say those family they sabi copy.
Hey!
That time when you talk of say your organ your when you talk of now your driving license where your man buy motor, now they come say they buy motor with carton.
Carton! God bless you! You.
They say they buy motor with
say they pack her for backyard. Okay.
for Europe. You don't understand? When not say the man go to driving license,
He said.
you not to get the license. If that was 2 years
Years
when
ago.
you guys all buy motor
Yes.
that time.
Yes.
Make I dey remember you if you forget. After that one, the person they go bring motor with cat on. You remember?
I remember they said the motor dey backyard.
Raise your ass.
Yes.
When you raise your ass, when you that time when you buy everything for your house, when you throw away the old one, buy new one, put go your wardrobe, your bed, everything. These people they consider they won't go rent duplets. You forget.
Hey, God bless you. Oh, this my God like big game. Oh. I mean, don't forget that one. Hey, doctor. He said they are moving away from this house. They are going to duplex up and down.
If you look video when they do that your bed, they don't go back. When you go by, when they say by I call you spray flash the bed, make people for sit the bed. You know say those two people. The say people not know them. People know them where that motor not be there by them. Now rest the renter. That the could never first rent motor come for social media when your wife say your husband they drive machine.
Hey!
They not show motor again.
Yeah. Hey!
They come go. My sister, I wish they come Germany. Which work the man they work.
Ask me.
You know how much for that motor?
That motor, Audi Q7, even the Okrika, they can't afford it at big age, number one, a big age. Number two, the tax is too much. What you want to tell me about motor? What you want to tell me about motor when my man know?
Which work in the work?
Okay. Only the tax alone, they can't afford the tax.
You know how much
Is
you go
rent.
for for that car?
It's rent. That car is rent. It's for rent.
Now it's the rent. Bro, you know say that they live fake life. Now so they talk that first. I said this summer period.
Then they go France.
That was 2020 summer. Say they won't go meet Mama Gladys for it.
Ali.
Make them for not go meet her for it.
It can't be quarrel.
They don't get document the form quarrel. During that quarter, she got in France. They won't go for this summer period. Say if they go France, they go to the live video. Everybody go see until they get document. Summer don't finish, they not go France again. Don't say for December now she won't go Nigeria.
We did
She
here.
don't talk say for December she won't go Nigeria. When they do that cut this video, say they keep the game. When they say the boys say they threaten, I say make they wait for her. They come for December.
December not be next 2 months. I be next year December. Be this year December.
Say they come December. 3 months time.
2 months time. Now October we dey so.
Nigeria. France, Italy, they not fit go. France, the person they want go France, they not fit go now. Nigeria, those people they be liar.
Hey, madam, I hope you well. Which one do you have a problem with this family? Now God they punish you. Which kind human being be this one? Cause what did they worry all those brainwash and share what people?
See,
Eh?
make I tell you something. When they will talk, they say they talk about them. When they say they not be people matter they talk.
Yo!
They put up for their shine, they talk.
I just start whether their mama they take fuck now they come. I don't understand those people.
People matter they talk.
Hey, where one will be?
Go do one way happen, go do one way not happen.
No, go talk her. Say this girl will not die for TikTok matter. Now she fake come blog and say the girl die. If when you say the girl die, where were you useless and share one woman? Nekwemu.
They show the girl picture where they beat not be people matter be that one. So
Hey!
people we know
Tons
them
of
we
them.
there with their fake life.
Hey!
That motor now rest the motor, they won't just use and say do Bugada because the CCS had already driving license.
Yes! Assess your big driving license. Now the one you die.
Now rest the motor, leave 2 of them. Now yeah we did. We know the story, we know them. Not be say we the anything we hate them or no, but may they stop to they live fake life. May they stop to may they come out real.
Hey!
Not be to say them. Let us first say they buy motor with cats on now. So okay, let's make I remind you one thing. You know say that time when she said they buy motor with cats on, she said their children are 4. They be 2. The motor no go fit carry
Right there.
them.
Hey!
She said now boss they
We'll
want
go back. You dey remember something.
this motor when they can't go by now, how many people go sit down for inside? 4 go sit down for back.
No, the car the car get 2 seats for inside boot. Then 2 go dey the seat. No, this one are rent. Una see the Oyibo when I go watch where the owner of that car they follow up and then when they first say they show a document. He can go put base for the video. Make them know the hear dust when that one they speak. Not only that. Why the man come there inside the front of motor? He called the car camera. Narrate. It's like that. If it is rent, it narrate. When you come say you, I say me drive me go as na roads there for the buy motor. My man don't buy 4 motor. Be how many? Go to car stand. You can't just see motor they buy for free. Even though you want go person herself, go carry car for person. That's okay. The person want sell her on the own. He say he want bring some document, make it sign, make it for tell say then hand it for buy. Where don't for the apple? Only what you need. Thank you, my lady. Thank you, ma. Only what you need is the paper of the car. Yes. The paper of the car, that is what you need. That is your evidence that you hold this car because your name go there. I don't understand those people, though. They must put your name. Even though that second one said they must do the paper again, put your name, say now so person because they drive this car for so year and so time. The date, everything will be there. People should stop lying. If not anything with me, I know. Not come lie. If now what I don't know, I will see ask question. I will see ask question. Now Jamie with day. Tell her make him bring the paper. When I go watch the video, when they tell her so. I say I don't deal with my drink. When I call your story, when I tell her make he go bring the paper of the car, the Audi Q7. Yes, bring the paper. The paper definitely the name is there. The car, but this thing go there, bring her. Even if you not show us the price, just show us I get work. Hello. Good morning, man. The live video.
I dey watch your live video, my sister. You want use laugh kill me. You know what, you see, that day I watched the video where they buy that car.
Okay.
I was very happy.
Okay.
Because the show to Europe, before you carry that kind of car, you go get him don't stand though.
I don't stand ya.
That car no dey whole play.
Not your momo car.
My sister, that car was second hand. Go they go 11,000.
God bless you. Okay.
You know,
Okay.
I remember 1,000.
Okay.
For that car, you see.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
People call people they get the money off TikTok, Facebook on a pay. What about the road insurance? What about the road tax? What about the benzene? That car, the engine, the
It's a drinky.
they drink fuel. I said,
Hey.
even if you get the money for, where I get car, my sister. Now small car now they use. Why would they go work? Now we for them, they buy 70 euro in a week.
You know the rich if
For
you.
1 week, 70.
Okay.
For 1 week, my work no even take up from my house, so 70 euro in a week. Come think of that kind of car. Let me say they're going to buy 400 or 500 euro in a month.
My lady, not be the getter. If you want to know the truth of this matter, go watch that video. When they take go they do shopping for a birthday. Motor when they enter na taxi. When they come back, they call the man. Make the man call carry the his rent. Go watch video. As my man buy motor, we do drive. I do video for Isa Canal. The motor. Why you not sit down for front? Mona answer who call they drive the motor and the man therefore who call they drive the motor. The owner of that motor no give her that motor make it drive. When they come back for supermarket, they call caller, make it call carry the Oyibo man was driving the motor. Why the man take the front? She can sit down for back with the children. Who call they drive the motor like that? Nah, easy pay driver. My people won't forget washy. Mona go watch the video. Me they tell the official video where you put the picture. When they go supermarket, when they go na boss, they enter go. You see the
When you
symbol.
go buy my car, when you go buy my car, my sister, now if I just pay the man money like this, you know, so if you buy car, you know, car enter road, if you don't change the name of the car, you need to change it to your own name. Now from the office, then we call the people they change car, say the name, say I don't buy this car, or see my name. They put up for my name, I pay the man, I carry the car from there, can come out.
Okay.
No, man, all they follow me, they go somewhere or come stand for front of my car.
Don't be with the torso. The document he not give you. The document of the car not be your name there when you buy the car.
My name is the price, I sign, the man sign.
The man go sign your signature go there. The date of when they hand over the car for you go there. What did they want tell me about car?
And the price.
The price will be there. The name of the car will be there. Your signature, the name of the car, the price, your name will be there. The date, you wanna sign and go there. Why they give you power?
Finish. My sister, more talk truth, eh? No black, no, I don't say black people dey oh, they go buy that kind of car oh, but not be for that kind of level. Trust me.
Okay.
Not be for that kind of level.
Okay.
When you buy that kind of car, you don't stand.
You know, be get na rent. Mona go watch the video. Mona talk, my lady. All of now when they say very adela, Mona put eye for ground for that motor body. For that motor body, make people put eye for ground. Me don't people send me the video, I don't watch them. Not be get na rent. Na rent. Thank you, my lady. Yeah, you the washer. Mona carry eye follow that motor. Mona carry eye. Mona do me a favor. Una not say I never lie for her before. I said the haters way they here. Mona carry eye follow that car. Anywhere you go, Mona put eye. Put eye for that car. If that car, they with them. Yes, if that car, they with them. Why they do, I understand, and that's what they do. When I hear when this my beautiful caller come before, the one we come before this one. When I talk about car, when me show my own way, she say I really do video for a car. Now so she talk. When I see renovate house, now so it all say they want change house, they want go do this. Now so they want do that one. You can't go buy my bed. When they started do video, they go say you know they watch people not lie. Oh. When they started to turn and say don't get driving license, me start not first and I they come out they go rent car. Why not they drive the car? Because I remember the day when my mom do driving license, it day front a day, my children they bad, I made the video myself the video. I don't need to go sit down for back, even though that boss, me thought I yeke, mock and wa yeke. When she goes supermarket, why you go sit down for back? But you tell me say now your seat, now be that for front. Really now that front you suppose your man sit down, you go sit down. How come you can't go back? And look how they drive the car where your man cause they don't go carry the camera. Because you wait the video. You don't go carry camera first from me, you video your man, video they drive. Or me, in my man they drive like a video runner. Hey, Jesus is Lord. Hey! Now me tell you na rent. Now I made that man not leave the motor for I make una see say that man there inside that motor. Because that motor is so expensive. You know what's crash? His crash there. They don't agree. They don't agree. If you want rent motor, you have to be very, very careful about that car. About that car, you have to be very, very careful. Because car where they rent out, they know they want me something to one. Now I make you not sit down you can't there from. You sell motor for me, finish me and up. I say okay, let me bring a car house. You go use something to take to and come. You go come drop her from my house. Which one be motor? Cause it the road they go cause it that for inside my motor. What you are? Why you go come they show me paper of motor for roads? No, don't see that one before. Come they show me paper of motor for road. Say what that's one? Man, this one. Where that one for the happen? Either car stand. If now the person wants to sell by himself, either a house or car stand. And that place not be where the park motor put. That place not drive go there. He call the man consider that for his side. Now road where motor the pan. Now there house there been and there the car stand. Hi Jesus is Lord. Now I made me tell and say, that's why no kuga gbo we dokpolo. And what say they call her name? I homo. When he say her name, I homo. Two of them are the same. When he call himself Tina. My darling people, who want believe me, put your eye down for that car. Put your eye down on that car. Put your eye down on that car to really see if not they get them. Yes. Please give thumbs up, guys. If you're on YouTube, please give thumbs up, my people. Please, hey, no thumbs up. I beg now. Wanna give me thumbs up. Mona put na eye drive na their car. Wa so tall. How Baba? Audi Q7. Go and check it. If I go check second hand, you go see how much Audi Q7 will be. And what I need, let her show us the paper of the car. Let them show us the paper of the car, the name written on that document of the car. Then we see the name of the document of the car, the name go there. Then her name, a name where you can buy the motor go there. The date when they had over the motor for a go there. His signature and the man's signature go there as this caller talk and so. Then everything go there. Make it show us. You don't get to this and do the other photo starter. Make it show us where the name dey for the paper. Make it show us where the your name dey and the signature. May not show all of them. May use something cover and make it show us live or live video. Nothing like doing and posting or live video. Just carry and go up like this. Say here my name. Then go here like this. The name of the car. Then go here like this. The date and my signature. If they go bold. So before you will conclude, the video my darling lady sent for me yesterday, go and watch. When they say they want to do birthday for people, when they do shopping. Go look motor when they enter and go the supermarket. Go look the video when they enter and go the supermarket. You call guys. Please share this video, my people. We'll soon write down my people. Also everywhere you may hear. So sometimes maybe we'll feel they come out our still change time. You are welcome. So my people, no, me and you know they argue, brother. May they bring down a lie. That car na rent. Now me they tell you. No. That car na rent. Now me they tell you. I know they lie. Na rent. Go watch video when he go past supermarket before you conclude. Go watch video when he go supermarket. Go and watch it first. Before you conclude. Go watch the video. Person buy motor. You don't register and you don't put plate number. Why you not go sit down do correct video for the motor? They hide the husband for a video. Mona they talk reasonable something. If they hide the husband for video, why she not sit down do look and we are driving inside the car and the children are the back seat? Why she can't sit down with the children? And when you look at inside the car where they were going, for people not to code, he called the Oyibo mama, he can't drive them. Share that video. Were you the one that was driving that car? No. The one where they take come back now, the Q7 where they rent. But the one where they take go now, Tazi. Open your eye. In fact, if you pass, carry and go back again. Open your eye. Check inside the motor. The one where they take go. And if they come, when they take go, check inside the motor close to where he first saw sit down. Observe the window. Ah, God. So people take this social media, they'll feel they watch the God forbid bad thing. God forbid bad thing. Motor when they carry go like Tazi. Once the Tazi make bolo even the seat. Where the seat belt hook for come. He make bolo. Now one has to tell no say na Tazi. No say Tazi not get space now. Tazi. He make bolo. You see where the seat belt for come. From that seat belt, when we take go now the top. So from that seat belt, look the window round. So some people you do this social media, they feel your brainwash like that. Some of those people. Hi God, it's so painful. Very painful. I buy a car. I not go fit drive. Which one be Tazi? Check the seat belt rope. Check the up of the window and the glass. Then the one where they take come back. Where they say waka for inside Varendorf. Check the one where they take come back. Check them. And look around near where he first was sit down. Check the window. Whether not the same with the one. The motor just spoil, Anna. No, the motor just spoil, Anna. When they come be say, na Tazi they take go. When they call the repairer, call repair and finish. Oh, people little wise. I be not be here and the husband go do shopping. Now be here and the man go do shopping for the children. Talking say maybe the man carry and go. The as call repair, then he call carry and take carry them. Then what are we know? Wow, what are we trying to say here? Maybe they were together. Both of them with the kids were together. He now do go call the man because he knows say people go cold. As he used Tazi take go, if he use Tazi call back, people go too cold. Say motor where you show us inside built now and inside dark small. How come? You know that car was tinted car. That car one and see so that Q7 the tinter. You don't make bolo and normal glass. This thing Tazi when una go take no Tazi when he take go, he make bolo the not tinter. The main hole like e open and the seat belt you go know. And inside where they take build up, you go know. You go know. Go and wash it. You have eyes. Go and wash it yourself. You will see it yourself. So they should stop deceiving people.